Hello everyone, it's Abby Jane and welcome back to my vlog. And I know it has been like ilang months. It has already been a month since clerkship started. Our group started at surgery department, which is actually very heavy. For our electives surgery, we have ANES and ortho. I just finished ANES rotation kahapon, which was just 1 week. Tapos ngayon, I started ortho, which is another week for us. So, elective yon. And hindi ako makakuha ng time para mag-vlog. Nag-adjust pa ako sa life ng being in the hospital. Another reason bakit hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog, because my skin broke out. Look at my face. It's breaking out so badly, and it's brought about by the toxic na duty, like yung, hindi man lagi akong toxic pero alam niyo yung mga 24 hours duty, minsan talaga minsan mga alauna gising pa ako, ganyan. So far, yun lang update, and I will end this short video here of a short update for you guys. And yeah, I'll check you guys soon. Bye!
Stall phone number, such a gentleman. Who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you. We don't have to talk, we can sit still. Reticence, corner of my eye. What a wonderful cardigan slipping out my mouth, baby. I've been waiting for you.
Hello everyone, it's July 31 and it's officially my last day in surgery.
Baby, after you leave, I'm showing up on your phone. The last one to see. I get so nervous when I think of you, alone in your bedroom, the radio on, the radio off. I get so nervous when I think of you.
I'm currently on my internal medicine rotation, so alam nyo kung gaano yan kabigat parehas. If you are a clerk, you know how heavy the load is, and there's no denying about the fact that clerkship is very difficult. Actually, yung August 1 pa ako nag-start ng IM. It's actually August 28 right now, and I experienced my very first golden weekend in clerkship.
But now I'm falling in love as you're falling asleep. Don't it feel like a drug? Is it just what you need? I get so nervous when I think of you, alone in your bedroom, the radio on or the radio off.
So, hello guys. A life update for you. Ko na actually matandaan if nakapag-vlog ba ako nung nag-move in kami dito sa Manila for our Manila rotation. But, for the sake of me not totally like remembering shit, I am here in Manila for our Manila rotation, particularly in Adventist Medical Center, Manila. Since it's already November 9, tapos na ako sa surgery, sa OB, and currently I'm in my internal medicine rotation. The pressure is real when you are in clerkship already, kasi though hindi pa naman agad kami magte-take ng boards, pero ang nakasalalay kasi dito is the graduation itself. The training here is surprisingly good. Actually, nagustuhan ko yung anesthesiology rotation ko dito sa MAMC. Though naman sa BAT-MC, nagustuhan ko na talaga ang ANES nung nag-rotate ako doon. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung ANES nung ako ay nag-rotate dito. Yung ANES, yung isa sa mga rotation na yung feeling ko excited ako pumasok. So, I think magsa-study na ako ngayon. I'll see you again soon. Susunod kong update. Oh my gosh, like sobra na tong tagal ng aking hindi ko talaga na-update sa sarili ko. Oh my God. So, yun. Bye! Morning! So, it's November 25 and I'm preparing to leave for our medical mission in North Bulacan. And yeah, I'll show you guys later.
Drag me out to the nearest bar. Hours later we were on the line. It smells like trouble as they in the car. Hey, come on over, it'll be fine. I would rather stay home alone, playing to the cool on my phone. Conversation with a stranger. Sorry if I'm uninterested. Go.
So yun,
barricades and people throwing up, TV powered off, and so am I. A crowded place just got me panicking. Meet me in the lost and found, and I'd rather stay home alone, playing Sudoku on my phone. Conversations with a stranger. So if I'm not interested, damn, these people so annoying. There's no way out of my.
so we're leaving early. Yeah. Bale, nag-OR ako kanina sa ENT. Dalawang OR kanina. And nag-assist ako dun sa excision of cyst sa left mandible. Then, ngayon, napauwi na kami ng resi na kasama namin. But still, on call pa rin kami just in case kailanganin. So, ayun, uwi muna ako. Bye.
Thought it was alcohol free, 'cause I'm dancing on my own now. M-A-D-A-W-S-C, M-A-D-A-W-S-C, yeah. Thought it was alcohol free, 'cause I'm dancing on my own now. Alright, I have no idea what happened.
Hi guys, it's 2 a.m. already. It's January 17. And I'm at the ER. Sa call room namin dito. Sama ko Resi. We just had a mort kanina. Iisa lang siyang mort. Tapos, ayun. I'm just gonna try to steal some sleep. Tapos yun, malapit na matapos ang shift natin guys. 24 hours. Let's go. Ayun, so pakita ko sa inyo kung nasaan ako ngayon. Alas ito kasi nag-CCR siya. So, while she's at it, I'll try to steal some sleep and still alert her when there is an emergency. So, yeah. I'll try to guys soon. Wondering, ngayon ko lang na-realize na ito yung first video ko nandito ako sa, hindi sa OR, kundi nasa ER. So, ayun. Bye.
I'm starting to think that we do things way too differently to take this seriously. And all of the times that we said we go to therapy.
Hello, so I just got home from my NICU duty. And this is my last rotation na sa pedia, yung NICU. And I'm so sorry about my voice. Kasi to be honest, kakagaling ko lang sa sakit. Kaya yun. Wala kaming pinaanak kanina in the course of my duty there. Yun lang naman. Ngayon, I'm cooking my lunch. Siyempre, kailangan natin magluto para may makain tayo. Maybe I'll take a rest and then study for the things that I need to study later. And yeah. See you guys later. Bye! Hi guys, so it's already January 31. Finally, we have arrived at the final day of January. January is so long and it feels so weird that it's finally beginning to end today. Right now, I'm getting ready for our OSCE and exit exam for pedia kasi today is our last day in pedia. And actually, today is my last duty status in Pidea. Like, OMG. Nung una, parang naalala ko before kami pumunta dito sa Pidea ng BatMC. Na-anxious pa ako kasi hindi ko alam kung anong magiging kalalabasan ng aming rotation dito. But can I say more sa Pidea? I really enjoyed Pidea here. Siguro, aalis na ako para diretso na ako sa Confe. I think sa Confe ang exam namin. So, yeah. I'll check you guys later.
Hello, tapos na Oscar namin. Siyempre kasama kayo mga B. Congrats. What? Provided by parents. Kaya nga, pwedeng huwag kayo magpakaunga sa amin mga B. Exam pa po kami. Derby.
All of the things that you do, you're all about you. Yeah, I need something new. On and on and on, talking all night long about.
Good morning everyone. So, I forgot to vlog earlier after kong mag-duty. And ano ba meron ngayon? Meron ngayon po ay grad pictorial lang naman. Kakaligo ko lang. Nagplansya na rin ako ng white coat ko. I have an appointment with a makeup artist. Walang tulog pero okay lang yan. Grabe, eye bags ko. Anyway, so I'll see you guys later.
Starting to live in the moment while you're on cloud nine. Yeah, just take your time. And all of the matching tattoos, I thought we'd earn them. Should all these permanent? But things don't change, they stay the same. I've gotta go my own way. Yeah, things don't change. I've gotta do better than you for me.
Hey guys, so today tapos ng first day ko sa minor rotation ko for OB, which is Patho, and I'm preparing my things kasi uuwi ako sa Lipa. I'm having a golden weekend guys. I'm so excited to go home. So yun, mag-aayos na muna ako ng mga gamit-gamit ko, and then Angel will pick me up here in my apartment. So I changed my clothes already to a more comfortable clothes. I'm bringing my laptop with me kasi meron kaming report sa Tuesday sa Patho. My clerkship files because I'll be doing some clerkship things sa bahay. And of course, I'll bring my iPad with me para makaaral ako kahit paano ka nasa bahay. So, it's a happy golden weekend. Deserve na deserve ko, be. So, ayun. I'll check you guys later.
Talking all night long about.
Follow po si Jumbo.
Scared.
So, it's already April 29. Yeah, tapos na tayo sa OB and we're now talagang nandito na tayo sa last talaga na rotation for clerkship before we hopefully graduate. At least, alapit na natin, guys. Oh my God. Like, dati, parang nagsa-start pa lang tayo ng first year sa med. Hirap na hirap pa tayo sa anatomy, sa physio. Pinagpupuyatan pa natin hanggang talagang umaga ang mga pag-aaral and shit. Tapos ngayon, OMG, fourth year na. Tapos, ilang weeks na lang matatapos na ang clerkship. Kaya ako nag-decide na bumangon na finally. Gagawa na ako ng requirements. Mag-aaral na ako for Revalida. Tapos, yun, lalasapin ko ang mga ilang oras na natitira sa akin as a COMED clerk. Kasi by May 1, duty agad ako. 24 hours agad ako, mga mi. So, ayun. I'll check you guys soon. Okay, bye! Hi guys, it's May 27. Officially 4 days before clerkship ends. And I just finished doing my requirements na hindi ko pa nagagawa. So far, okay naman yung mga nagiging duties natin sa FAMED. So many new learnings. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog during clerkship. I'm so sorry about that. Though, I did try to, like, film some snippets of what I've been doing sa hospital. But technically, it's just, I wake up in the morning, take a bath, wear my uniform, and then just, sumabak sa laban and humarap sa mga pasyente. We are actually blessed to have this rotation as our last rotation in clerkship. Kasi somehow it's a rest for us, and it's like a treat for us kasi hindi siya ganun ka-toxic, ang babait din ng resis, and yun. Alam mo, parang medyo nagkakaroon ng existential crisis, to be honest. Kasi, sabi nga ng boyfriend ko, baka parang ngayon pa lang namimiss ko ng pag-duty sa hospital. And then, I would say to him na, yun nga yung gustong-gusto ko nang matapos. Pero you know what, parang medyo, in the back of my head, I think I resonated with what he said. Even though toxic ang duty sa BAT-MC, even though daming gawain, tapos talagang kakapagod siya physically, emotionally, and mentally. It's something that, it's something that fuels me. It's something that reminds me of the purpose that I had since before entering med school, and that is to help even more people. Alam natin, it's not a secret for everyone that we have a shitty healthcare system. And alam mo yun, even though sobrang pangit ang ating healthcare system, parang nagkakaroon ako ng feeling na gusto ko pa rin i-serve yung mga taong nangangailangan. Kasi if hindi ko yun gagawin, if hindi namin yun gagawin, sino pa ang gagawa? I think I will just reveal it here na I also matched in a DOH hospital in Manila. It's quite a big hospital and another toxic hospital. So I actually matched in East Avenue Medical Center. I'm just feeling like, I don't know. I don't know what to feel. I'm excited, but at the same time, I just feel kind of sad that it's about to end. Though, meron pa naman kaming hahabulin ng mga, mga requirements, ganyan, pagpapapirma ng clearance. But then yung mismong duty, yun yung mamimiss ko dun. Ngayon pa lang nagpapasalamat na ako dun sa mga naging pasyente namin. Throughout the year of clerkship, you guys taught us so well with how we should manage you, with how we do the skills on you. Thank you for letting us touch you as students. Thank you for letting us do those procedures on you, for confiding your stories with us, and just basically trusting us as your doctors kahit na sinasabi namin na estudyante pa lang kaming doktor. Really like a big opportunity to have the capacity of becoming someone's hero in your life, and that is becoming a doctor. And sana when I look back in this video, when I upload this in YouTube, I just hope na ma-remind nitong video na to yung rason kung bakit tayo nagdoktor. Mahirap, nakakapagod, pero yung hirap at pagod, na itutulog mo yan, na ipapahinga mo yan. Pero yung saya at yung fuel na nabibigay nun sa purpose mo sa buhay, it's very different. And it's incomparable to the tiredness that I feel. Yun, naging sentimental lang ako ngayon kasi medyo productive ako eh. So, I think it's time for me to like, ayusin yung aking pinalaundry. Yun. And yeah, I'll check you guys soon.
But the feels ain't worth the fall. It's better when I know I don't wanna feel this, 'cause I feel things way too hard. I'm down bad, I get sad, 140 on the dash. On my way, I put my life on the ropes. Sipping wine, come alive. I know kisses follow lies. Say you love me when I know that you don't.
Uy, pasaan ka, girl? Bakit?
It's
Vlog
all
ko to.
a matter of time.
Oo nga, ito naman.
Before you and me collide, I don't wanna feel this, 'cause I feel things way too hard. Got me on the ceiling, but the feels ain't worth the fall. It's better when I know I don't wanna feel this, 'cause I feel things way too hard.
Last duty for the entire ship. Bukas lalabas ako. Tapos ako sa bridge. Clearances na lang.